Hello students, let's solve this question. In this question is given to us that a projectile is thrown from a platform at a height of 10 meter above the ground with velocity of 20 meter per second. At what angle should the projectile be thrown to reach the farthest point from O, which is vertically below the point from which it is thrown? So the point O is vertically below the point from which particle or projectile is thrown. So let us first try to draw the diagram for this question. There is a platform here which is at a height of 10 meter above the ground, and there is a point O here. Vertically above the point O, a particle or a projectile is thrown. The speed of projection is given to us in question, it's 20 meter per second, but the angle of projection is unknown. Let's assume it is theta. In question, the angle of projection is asked to us. What angle should the projectile be thrown? And the condition is that it should reach the farthest point from O. So the projectile, let's assume the path of projectile is like this. It is landing somewhere here. So this point should be at farthest point from. This range is to be maximum. This range is to be maximum. In order to solve this question, we can use equation of trajectory. For that, I will first assume this point is to be origin, horizontal direction to be x-axis, and vertical direction to be y-axis. So if that is the case, then the general equation of trajectory is y equal to x tan theta minus gx square upon 2u square, and we have cos square theta in denominator, which can be taken in numerator to be sec square theta or tan square theta plus 1. So this is our equation of trajectory. When the particle is reaching ground, the y coordinate of particle is going to be negative, and it is to be minus 10. Why? Because origin here, and I have assumed y to be upward. So in downward direction, y should be negative. So at this final point, let us assume this final point is to be f. At f, the y coordinate of particle is minus 10. So I can put minus 10 here. It should be equal to x. Now at this point, x should be r. The horizontal range is the x coordinate, which is going to be r. So equation is going to become minus 10 equal to r tan theta minus g is 10, x is r by 2, u is given as 20 multiplied with 1 plus tan square theta. We can further solve this equation. First, I have 20 square here, which will be 400, and numerator I have 5, numerator I have 10. So we can divide it. So my equation will become minus 10 as r into tan theta minus r square by 20 square is 400, and 1 0 will cancelled out. So I will have 40 here in denominator, 40 into 2 it will be 80 into tan square theta plus 1. So I can make a quadratic equation out of it in tan theta. So in order to solve this, tan square theta minus number this, I can take it in right hand side. So I will get r square by 80 into tan square theta. This is going to be positive. Then r tan theta here is going to be negative. I already have a minus 10 here. Then from the left hand side, I will get a positive of r square by 80. This is going to be my equation. This is a quadratic equation in tan theta. This equation, the roots of this equation is value of angle of projection. I need to find the angle of projection, for which range is maximum, r is maximum. So as this equation is a quadratic equation and tan theta is real, for tan theta to be real, discriminant of this equation should be greater than or equal to 0. For tan theta to be real, for a real angle of projection, tan theta should be real. So d should be greater than or equal to 0. And discriminant of this equation is going to be b square, which is going to be r square minus 4 times a, which is r square by 80 into c. C is minus 10 plus r square by 80. This term needs to be greater than or equal to 0. So we can solve this expression to get the value of r. Now after solving this equation, I am getting r square is less than or equal to 2400, or I might write as r less than or equal to root 2400. So by this expression, I am knowing that the value of r is less than equal to root 2400. The maximum r is going to be equal to root 2400. So that is this equation in tan theta gives me a real tan theta. So r maximum is root 2400. And when range is maximum, we need to find the angle theta. When range is maximum, this term r is equal to root 2400 or discriminant is going to be equal to root 0. When discriminant is equal to 0, the root of quadratic is going to be minus b by 2a. So we can easily get the value of tan theta when r is maximum. When r is maximum, the value of tan theta, it is going to be minus b by 2a. So you can put b as minus r, a is r square by 80 to get the answer. So it is minus r and negative of that will be r by r square by 80 and by 2a. So you will get 80 by 2r. You can put the value of maximum r here. So you will get 80 by 2 into root over 2400. That should be the final answer. This is the value of tan theta at which the range is maximum. And range maximum is determined using this discriminant greater than equal to 0. This is going out to be root 2400. Thank you.